Hello and welcome to ClearTask. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your Tellonym account private. Let's get started. First, open the Tellonym app on your device. Tap on your profile icon. You'll find this in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap the settings icon, which looks like a small gear, located in the top right corner. Now, scroll all the way down the settings menu until you reach the Others section. Here, tap on More. In the middle of the next screen, you will see the Privacy section. To maximize your account's privacy, you will need to manually toggle off each of the available options. By turning these off, you prevent people from finding your account through your phone number or location, and they will no longer be able to see your active status. And that's it. Your account is now private. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.